Bendigo Bank, down. You're not alone. This is a crisis affecting thousands of Australians, and it's causing widespread frustration and chaos. Thousands of Aussies are furious, locked out of their accounts, unable to access their money when they need it the most. Payments are failing, transactions are getting stuck, and there are zero answers from the bank. The silence is deafening. But don't panic. I've got the fixes to get you back in fast. These solutions are quick and easy, and they might just save your day. Since early 2025, Bendigo's app and website keep crashing, logins failing, and users are left in the dark. Payments are stuck, and customer service is swamped. The lines are long, and the wait times are unbearable. Is it a hack? Server meltdown? Theories are flying, but no one knows for sure. Bendigo's silence is making it worse. The lack of communication is only adding to the frustration. Alright, here are the quick fixes to get you back on track. These steps are simple, but effective. 1. First, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve a lot of issues. 2. Next, clear the app cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. 3. Still no luck? Reinstall the app. A fresh install can often fix persistent issues. 4. Try a different browser. Sometimes the issue might be with the browser you're using. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Call Bendigo now. 1300 236 344. Their customer service team might be able to assist you directly. So why does this keep happening? What's causing these repeated outages? Bendigo's servers are overloaded, payday traffic, high transaction volumes, and outdated infrastructure. It could also be due to outdated tech or even secret cyber attacks. The possibilities are endless. They won't admit it, but the signs are there. But you can force them to fix it. Your voice matters. Furious. Don't just sit there, take action. Hit in the App Store. Tweet, #Bendigo Bank failed. Demand compensation. Let's make our voices heard. Smash, subscribe. Next week I expose why banks get away with this. Don't miss out on the inside scoop. Comment below. Fix your app, Bendigo. Let's trend this. Together we can make a difference.